So let's talk about residential. If you're a designer that's got a client, residential client, or if you're a homeowner and you are design oriented, you really want to change your space. Well, the spaces in your home are so intimate and important, and we want to make sure that everything you're thinking about, really considering how the space gets used, we want to be able to provide the exact solution for that space. And we want it to be able to change with you because, I mean, let's face it, we get really bored of the stuff on our walls at home sometimes. How is residential different than commercial? It's really not that different. You just have a different team that you're building space for. You have an environment that's a little more intimate, right? You care more about it. So we want to really consider the color. We want to consider the kinds of finishes that we've got, that they really match the finishes you have in your home, of course, or if you want them to be crazy and wild. As we look into the type of experience you want for your home team, which is your tribe, let's figure out the best solutions for them. So when we talk about residential, we got to have pictures. We want pictures of your space. We want pictures of your walls. We want pictures of the areas that you really want to use 9.0 stuff. And then we can maximize those walls. What kind of stuff do we do for residential? One really cool thing you can do is a witness wall. You could actually say, hey, these are the kinds of things I believe in. These are our values. We want a witness of these things to our children or to ourselves, remind ourselves, all kinds of stuff. And you can actually use 9.0 products to put up and then change over time these really important values, these statements, these different things that you want to be reminded of every day. So that's witness walls. Another thing is obvious, you can organize your space a lot better, right? And using walls, it's incredible how much organization you can do on walls. So you can use our products to organize your space. I mean, even if it's a kid's playroom, right? If it's a kid's room or if it's a playroom and they've got a bunch of toys that they need to organize, you can use our products to organize those toys like crazy. It can actually even be fun for the kids to be able to throw their toys into bins if you're not worried about that. There can be all sorts of different ways to organize that space. Get in touch with us so that we can talk about how to organize spaces. Mudrooms, dining rooms, kitchens. There's all sorts of ways you can use your walls differently and in a dynamic way to be able to change it according to your changing needs. Residential spaces are fantastic. We really feel like we can make your home much better and much more functional, much more beautiful, and much more meaningful than it is right now just by using your walls.